founder of SenseGuard. At SenseGuard, I have one solution for two problems: gas leakage and childbirth. According to World Health Organization, 10,000 children die each year due to childbirth, and it is the fifth leading cause of non-fatal injuries among children. Similarly, gas leakage causes hundreds of thousands of fatalities around the globe each year. Especially in Pakistan, we hear a lot of bad news about gas casualties, gas blasts, accumulations, and similarly is in the Asia Pacific region. And childbirth is a very prominent problem, causing severe injuries to the children. So in order to solve the above mentioned problems, I came up with SenseGuard. It comprises of three different modules. This is the primary module, which detects the gas leakage through the sensors, and whenever it detects a gas leakage, it cuts off the gas and electricity supply wirelessly and sends a notification on the user phone that there is a gas leakage in the house. As well as it has a camera here, that whenever this camera detects a child near a fire source like a burner or a heater, then it cuts off the gas supply and send a notification on the parent's phone that their child is in danger. This system can be controlled through a mobile application, and there are four main things that I am using is the gas detection sensors to detect the gas leakage, then the machine learning object detection model that I have uploaded on the camera in order to detect the child, then automatic response system in both cases, like in the gas leakage as well as in the childbirth. I am cutting off the electricity and gas supplies and sending real-time alerts on the user's phone. Here is a demo of the gas leakage part. When I leak the gas in front of the sensor, it turns on the buzzer, cut off the gas supply, cut off the electricity supply wirelessly, and send a notification on my phone. Now the SenseGuard comprises of three different technologies: IoT, machine learning, and the embedded technologies. Now, whenever here is the flow chart of the system, that whenever I power on the system, it connects to the Wi-Fi in order to communicate with these secondary modules, as it is IoT based, and then it starts reading the data from the sensor and the camera. SenseGuard. Now, the abstract of this particular research is published in the International Science and Engineering Fair portal, as well as the whole research paper is submitted for the IEEE Internet of Things journal. Here's the solution analysis. I have analyzed the object detection model in four different scenarios. In the real world child detection and the child picture in the camera in a mobile phone. The results were maximum around 80 to 90%, and it does not detect the adult and background, as it was trained on the child. And the system is very fast. It took 8 seconds on average in the case of object detection. Now here are the key market segments that I am focusing on. First of all, the homeowners and families, then industrial and commercial facilities like commercial kitchens and restaurants. Then I can also integrate my system in other smart home automation companies. Then as well as I can collaborate with government safety compliances like hostels, hotels, etc. This is the market size. I have analyzed two markets: gas leakage equipment market and the smart home market, both globally and locally in Pakistan. Globally, it's $5.6 million, and in Pakistan, it is $350 million. Similarly, smart home market is globally $174 million, and in Pakistan, it is $87.8 million. The business model is also quite simple. The primary revenue stream is the direct product sale. Then we can also, in the secondary revenue streams, we can run ads on the mobile app, and we can sell the individual hardware. In the selling part, I am primarily focusing on the e-commerce platforms. Then the most interesting thing is that you can partnership with gas utility companies, like the companies which are selling stoves or other products. We can integrate our system into theirs, and they can now after that sell integrated system. Here are the partnerships. My startup SenseGuard is currently incubated in the National Incubation Center of Aerospace Technologies, one of the most premium incubation center back in Pakistan, connected with Dynastic Networks, one of the leading IoT companies back in Pakistan. And I'm also related with the Change Mechanics, and I was part of the League of Launchers operated by Change Mechanics, and yes, it was a program to empower young entrepreneurs. In the competitor analysis, I've analyzed three companies, one locally and two international companies, and the main competition is that they are only building a gas leakage detector. I'm not only building a detector but also preventing the gas leakage. as well as I am incorporating child burns through the camera, and no company right now is incorporating child burns. The National STEM School, which I attended back in 2024, which enabled me and motivated me to do this research and do stuff like this. After that, in July 2025, I did an internship at Lum's University, one of the leading institutes in Pakistan, which through this professor, Dr. nominees, I am enhancing this particular product. And I have also incorporated the machine learning object detection part into satellite systems, and that particular research paper was published in the International Conference on Applications of Space Science and Technology. Here are some recognitions. I represented Pakistan at International Science and Engineering Fair in Ohio, USA in May 2025, and was part of one of the 16 teams that represented Pakistan. I am also the winner of the Complex Startup Ideathon, one of the biggest ideathons. And you can see here are my competitors are the university students. Like the runner-up is the National University of Science and Technology, and as a high school student I won that competition. I have also won the Pasha ICT award, which enabled me and led me to the APICTA 2025. So in October 2024, I actually started working on this idea. Then after doing the research work and the literature review, this product got selected for the International Science and Engineering Fair in 2025 in USA. Then I won the Compact 2025 Startup Ideathon. After that, I got selected for the League of Launches program, backed by National Incubation Center of Islamabad and Change Mechanics, which was basically the purpose was to empower young entrepreneurs. Then my startup was also incubated in the National Incubation Center of Aerospace Technology, NICAD. After that, I won the Pasha ICT award representing Pakistan at APICTA. Now I am trying and eagerly focusing on the launch and commercialization. With the help of the NICAD and some of the companies which I collaborated with the Tech Beach Expo and the matchmaking sessions, I am trying to commercialize my product. And also with the help of the Pasha, as I met the chairman of the Pasha, which is, as I am trying to raise the investment, he is interested in investing in me. This is the most innovative and the most interesting part. I am currently working on an app which allows the users to train custom object detection models on custom objects. Now the user does not require any technical knowledge of machine learning models. Like he just have to upload pictures and then label pictures. And labeling is not a technical process. After labeling, he just have to train the model, and then this camera will start detecting that object. And through this, it will enhance the effectiveness, the accuracy, as well as you can train models on various things. It can be trained on a pet and can prevent pet burns, etc. And at SenseGuard, we are offering innovation that safeguards lives, not just homes. Thank you very much.